Hiya, it's Ali here and I'm coming on today with a quick video to show you my DT haul for the month of June. And I received it this morning and I'm really looking forward to getting stuck in and making some bits and pieces with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. The colour palette is beautiful and the items are beautiful as well. So I'll start with the paper pack because that's obviously going to be the base of any project that I make. And this is one that as soon as I saw it I knew I had to have it. It's the Minty, and I do love Minty papers, and this one is the Old Manor. There are, bear with me, it's 12 by 12. There's 12 double-sided printed sheets, 2 of 12 designs, and then the bonus sheets, which is this one. I'll show you the bonus sheets, which is on the other side of here, and this has got all the gorgeous cut-outable bits and pieces for popping onto your projects. I'm really getting excited about using this. I really do like this colour palette. It's so peaceful and calming, and it's got angels in and flowers. I like my flowers obviously, and it's lovely, and I'm looking forward to making some bits and pieces. So that's your bonus sheets, and then this one, it's got the rocking horse, and it's got all the elements that are on your cutout sheet, and it's kind of put them into an orientation at each side. And then on the other side of there is the what looks like a crackle paste and rustic, which is really great because it can give the impression that you've done the work in the background with the crackle paste and the rust, and you haven't. It's just a sheet of paper. It's great. So that's that. And the next one is the set of doors and the angel. Again, the flowers, they're beautiful. Things going through my head of different projects that you can make. You can make a massive tag there with the door, and then cut out these bits, put them in, and it's just amazing. You could cut up the middle and open the door and have something behind, and lots and lots of different ideas. And on the B side of that, some tickets, lots and lots more opportunity for snipping into those and creating smaller projects like tags and ATCs, etc. And then another lovely one here with all the bird cage and the books and the swing, and then little bits and pieces again, just into a nice orientation on the page. And then on the other side of there we've got sort of like a grunge background with well, it looks like a wall with, you know, the wire that is the reinforcing wire that they put in buildings, and that's all coming through. And then here you've got your stonework, so that's cool as well. And then I love this one, it's so pretty. So it's just a really pretty floral paper. Backgrounds, very tiny flowers, so if you want to snip into them it might take a while, but I'd be inclined to use this one just as a background paper. And then on the other side of there, some more doors, so old doors obviously. Again, lots of ideas there for some projects. And the wrought iron gates in front of the old door there. So you can see where the theme's running through here of the old manor. And then obviously, you know, you go inside and you've got all the different things. Another beautiful floral. It's really pretty, and lots of nice pretty projects you can make with that as well. And the next one is another cut up one here, different elements, again you can either cut them out, you know, as they are, sort of cut around and take the element out, or you can utilise them as ATCs. It's ready-made ATC basically. Another gorgeous page there. And then on the B side of that is some beautiful frames. Lots and lots of different little frames there. Some of these I would be tempted to cut out and use on my project. Probably make it a bit stronger using some grey board underneath and have it as an element. Cut out some you know, mirror card, perhaps put behind it, make it look like a mirror. Lots and lots and lots of different things. Get old pictures, old vintage pictures, cut it out and put it over the top. Lots and lots of different things that I'm going to try out. And then we're back to the second sheet of each there. So beautiful paper pack there that I'm looking forward to getting stuck into. The next item I'm going to show you that I have is some transparent foils. Now these are from AB Studios, which is one of my favourite suppliers, different products that they have. I'll take this out. So it is what it says on the tin, it's a transparent foil. So I'll put it back on the white, then you can see it actually. So it's like printed acetate, if you will. So cutting out all those items, popping them on different projects. Absolutely gorgeous they are. Really took to those when I saw them when Louise did the live last week where she was showing the products that she was having coming into the shop. So that is those. Then I've got a bundle of beautiful lace ribbon, and I have a packet of gorgeous Prima flowers. Again, you can see that lovely colour theme that's running through. These are going to go with anything that I do using these papers. You've just got that beautiful blendability with the flowers. So really looking forward to using those as well. And they're the Prima. There's 12 in there, different ones. I've got a lovely little Inspire MDF sort of word. I think this probably is from Hobbylicious, but I'm not sure. But these are from Hobbylicious, definitely. And these are the ATC coins, and I've got a pack of 10 of those to play with as well. So lots of little projects coming up. Going to be doing tags, cards, little ATC coins. Yeah, lots of lovely things coming up in the next few weeks. So keep a lookout in the group, Thompson Craft Supplies group. And I will be posting a video. I post a video usually my blog days are Monday, and more often than not there is a video that accompanies my blog post for my DT project. That usually goes live around 12 PM, so lunchtime on a Monday. And then anything else that I do, which I tend to do, just goes straight into the group with a little bit of an explanation as to how I've created it. Normally what happens is if someone wants to know how it's made, I'll go away and make a video, do another one, make a video and pop it in the group. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in group. If not, I'll see you in Facebook land somewhere. So take care, have a wonderful day, and speak to you soon. Bye.